Hi everyone. So here we are resuming the weekly schedule now. You already must have seen the previous two videos which have already been uploaded. One about how are we going to proceed from here on and a kind of revision for the polity series. Why we are just doing polity, not history, geography. All of that questions are already being answered. So in case somebody who has not seen the previous videos, I request you please do check the channel for the same. Apart from that, one video of polity as a sample has already been shown to you. Just to give you an idea about how in depth are we going to study from here on. Because the basic topics are done, now we are, going towards this advanced stage wherein just reading one text and just rote memorizing the lines are not going to work in your favor. So to be able to answer the questions of prelims and mains, of course from the conceptual perspective, you need to see things in detail. So, as I have already informed you earlier that we will be having the classes twice a day and 6 days a week, which gives you like 12 videos of polity per week. For the time being, we are just keeping this schedule. As and when needed, we might add more sessions to it or maybe some modifications. But let's begin with this at least, so that because you already have had a gap with me for 3 weeks around, and you need to get into that zone. So to begin with, we'll have Monday to Saturday, Indian polity and constitution only. The dates are because we are starting from this Monday, which is July 18th, to July 18th to 23rd. Timings I have kept deliberately like this: 11 a.m. and 7 p.m. for the two videos every day. The reason being that even if you are a working professional or a student or somebody who is doing something else also apart from studying, would also get adequate time to finish. Let's say अगर मैं 7 बजे रात का रखती हूँ, I'm not keeping it 9 p.m. or 10 p.m. deliberately, so that if I'm keeping it 7 p.m., you will have the time in your hand to finish it that night anyhow, or even maybe early morning. So because the first video in the morning you will get at 11 a.m. and between these two also you have good enough time. ठीक है, you know that the videos will be maximum of let's say 40-45 minutes now. ठीक है, और 30 minutes का होगा, इससे ज़्यादा का तो होना नहीं है. So I think that much of time is what you can obviously devote. Let's now quickly see the topic that we'll be covering. So lecture number 25 is going to be on the amendment to the Constitution of India Part 1 that we have already done. So because we have already done, you shouldn't get confused that I have shown you as a sample. So from here on, Monday, this will be your 7 p.m. video. 11 I will not release because one topic is already done. 7 p.m. video Monday, you will get the part 2 of this series, continuation of that. Then Tuesday, 11 a.m. is what we are going to do the next lecture 27, which because I have explained you the terms like simple and special majority in this topic, therefore it needs to be explained in detail that what are the different types of majority you will come across in the entire subject, and then certain details of Article 13 of the Constitution of India. Now, this is a fundamental right, I mean, not fundamental right, but given in Part 3 of the Constitution, which is dealing with fundamental rights. So, related to that. But why we are doing it in advance, I've already told you, I'm not going to use the conventional method of just taking summary of any book or any chapter. It is going to be a holistic approach. So, हम focus their constitution, जो articles हैं उस पे करते हैं, and therefore you need to have a copy of the constitution online, offline, whatever handy when you now start seeing the lecture next time onwards, so that you keep marking in that constitution, striking off the articles that you're already doing. ठीक है, तो हम मिक्स करके समझने के हिसाब से करेंगे. Then so this is Tuesday 11 a.m. Then Tuesday 7 p.m. is the lecture on relationship between Article 13 and 368. I hope now you understand why did I choose Article 13 in between, because 368 is dealing with amendments and there is a whole controversy related to these two articles, and therefore I will not wait for the topic of fundamental rights to come to teach you this again. Now that we are dealing with Article 368, I'll give you the related topic here also. देन जब हम वो डिस्कस कर रहे होंगे तो हमारे पास एक नया केस आएगा टू स्टडी, विच इज योर गोलकनाथ केस. ठीक है, इन योर बुक इफ यू हैव डन दिस चैप्टर यू वुड हैव स्टडीड अबाउट इट. So I will be giving you the details of the case also. Not of course from legal perspective. हमें law नहीं करना है, but whatever is needed for this examination, we'll see the one lecture entirely on this particular case so that we understand this whole topic in detail. asking about everything that you need to know about right to property. Again, this includes the topics from fundamental rights also, other legal rights also, normal constitutional rights also. The reason of talking about all of these is, and that to write here is, that again the topics related to this are related to this, and from here on, the topics that you will cover, like your 9th schedule, Keshwananda Bharati basic structure, all of that have the relations to this right to property, and therefore we will be doing it. तो ये वेंसडे हो गया, तो अब थर्सडे में बीच में आई एम गिविंग यू अगेन अनदर इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक विच इज योर 9th शेड्यूल, which of course again is dealt with your fundamental rights chapter. जब हम प्रॉपर्टी की बात करते हैं ना तो आपके बुक में वहां पे दिया हुआ है, बट हम पहले करेंगे so that you understand कि जो ये बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर डॉक्ट्रिन है, ठीक है, बुक में you study this and you get confused because you only get the list of those things which are considered as the basic features of constitution, but how the background has come, that we need to figure out from here, and therefore we are doing these topics in between. Then here you have another very major case related to all of these which you will come across in your syllabus time and again, which is your Keshwananda Bharati case. Very very significant, a milestone, landmark, कुछ भी बोल लो आप. So therefore this we are dedicating a lecture again to this. Now that we are done with all of these things, it will be easier for us to understand about the topic of basic structure doctrine. And then because we will be done till here, then I will dedicate, because till lecture 13 we have done the PYQs. So 14 onwards, whatever topic we have done till 33, whatever prelims and mains PYQs are there, I will cumulatively give to you here. So it will be on Friday. And then till here बहुत सारे chapters हो चुके होंगे. तो अब हम यहाँ से शुरू करेंगे हमारा आर्टिकल 1 ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन जो है, ठीक है. So initial topics of union and its territory, and then the related chapter of formation of states and union territories. So this is the schedule for this week. Just wait for another few minutes, not much, but just few minutes, so that I tell you that okay, let's say these are the chapters that we have already, I mean some of these which we have already covered from Lakshmikant, so you can keep striking it off. Please notice that from NCERT you will have to choose from yourself कि हम क्या क्या साथ में कर रहे हैं. I have already given you the reference with each topic, उसको आप प्लीज मार्क करते जाइएगा. एंड में हम कभी भी मैं आपको एक लेक्चर के बीच में आई विल गिव यू द NCERT कंटेंट लिस्ट ऑल्सो, जहाँ हम स्ट्राइक ऑफ कर लेंगे. बट फॉर द टाइमिंग आवर प्रायोरिटी इज योर लक्ष्मीकांत, कि हम उससे क्या क्या कर चुके हैं. This is chapter number 1 on historical underpinnings. This I have not done and I will not do right now. This I will do in the end of polity, which will also be the beginning of modern Indian history, जब हम resume करेंगे after we finish polity. ठीक है, तो this chapter अभी हमने नहीं करा है. Chapter number 2 is on the Constitution of India background, like talking about the Constituent Assembly and all. So chapter number 2, I will highlight it here. Chapter number 2 from the book Lakshmikant 6th edition कर चुके हैं. Chapter number 3 talking about the features कर चुके हैं. Chapter number 4 preamble कर चुके हैं. Now we are doing amendment to the constitution, which is chapter number 10. ठीक है, this will be finished. Then this basic structure जो है जब वो करेंगे तो chapter 11 भी finish हो जाएगा. Then parliamentary government पे एक chapter है, chapter 12, that we have already done. Federal government पे जो chapter है, chapter 13, that we have already done. When we will do the topic on union and territory, तो chapter 5 भी हो जाएगा, but that we have not done. तो अभी मैं इसको ऐसे मार्क कर देती हूँ कि अमेंडमेंट इज व्हाट वी आर डूइंग राइट नाउ. बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर हम अभी करेंगे इस वीक में, एंड यूनियन टेरिटरी हम करेंगे इस वीक में. तो बुक से हम ये 3 चैप्टर्स आपके 10, 11 एंड 5 खत्म करेंगे इस वीक में. ठीक है, उसके अलावा द वंस दैट वी हैव ऑलरेडी फिनिश्ड आर चैप्टर नंबर 2, 3, 4, 12 and 13 Lakshmikant se. This is already finished. This will be done this week. These are the chapters numbers. Okay, I hope you are getting the clarity on how we are proceeding. Let's now beat